Hello, sweet soul. Welcome to the Daily Exhale, your space for relaxation, mindfulness, and inner peace. I'm Julianne Arce, your guide for today's meditation. In this session, we'll focus on breath awareness. This practice is a powerful tool to calm your mind, reduce stress, and bring you into the present moment. To begin, find a comfortable seated position. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground, or cross-legged on a cushion or a mat. Allow your hands to gently rest onto your knees or onto your lap. Once you've found your just right cozy spot, I invite you to close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it at the top. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Let your body relax and settle into stillness. Do this a few more times. Inhale fully and exhale completely. Take a moment to tune into your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort, and gently adjust your posture to find more ease. Let your spine lengthen. Your shoulders relax away from your ears. Bring your attention to your breath, and simply observe the natural rhythm of your breath without trying to change it. Notice the cool air as it enters your nostrils and the warm air as it exits. Follow the flow of your breath as it moves in and out of your body. As you continue to breathe, begin to deepen your awareness. Feel the rise and fall of your chest and the expansion and contraction of your belly with each breath. Notice the subtle pauses between each inhale and each exhale. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to your breath. It's natural for thoughts to arise. Acknowledge them without judgment and let them pass by like clouds in the sky. Return your attention to the steady rhythm of your breath. Now let's deepen our breath. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, filling your lungs, holding completely. Hold the breath for a moment, and then exhale slowly and completely through your mouth. Repeat this a few times, allowing each breath to bring you deeper into relaxation. As you settle into this rhythm, notice how your body responds. Feel the calming effect of your breath on your body and your mind. Allow each exhale to release any tension, stress, or negativity. With each inhale, invite a sense of peace and calm in. Now return to your natural breath. Simply observe the flow without controlling it. Notice how the breath naturally became deeper and more relaxed. Let this awareness bring you into the present moment, fully engaged with the here and now. To deepen your connection with your breath, try counting your breath. On the inhale, silently count 1, and on your exhale, count 2. Continue each breath up to 10, and then start again at 1. If you lose count, gently bring your focus back to your breath and start again from 1. Allow this counting to become a gentle anchor, keeping you connected to your breath in the present moment. Let go of any need to do it perfectly. This practice is about being present and being aware. Now release the counting and simply rest in the awareness of your breath. Feel the sense of calm and stillness that arises from the practice. Take a few more moments to simply be, without any effort or striving. As we begin to close this meditation, take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Bring your hands to heart center, feeling the warmth and energy between your palms. Take a moment to thank yourself for this time of mindfulness and self-care. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of peace and awareness with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me on the Daily Exhale. If you've enjoyed today's meditation, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps us to bring more mindfulness and positivity to the world. Until next time, stay mindful and stay present, and remember to breathe. Namaste, sweet souls. If you found today's meditation helpful, please feel free to share it with a friend or loved one. Together, we can create a more mindful and compassionate community.